Hello, this is Marty DeGarmo. Happy Sunday. Well, as you know, as you've been getting emails from me, Mike Ellis, and Dan Street for the last 5 months, we have been in a company called Unifii, working with a gentleman named Mike Klingler, who is a system creator, one of the best in the world. And things are just, every day it's getting better. And what I want to talk about today is, and I want people to know this, people that have seen Unifii, have been looking at it, they're not sure, they're skeptical, like I was. I've been online since 2004. I'm the most skeptical guy on the planet when it comes to businesses online. But what I want to emphasize is tomorrow, Unifii is sharing what is now going to be one of their products. And it's the Forex market. I didn't know a lot about the Forex market other than, like $5 trillion goes through there every day. Okay, so it's huge. I also looked up and realized that a very high percentage of people are throwing money into the Forex market like a slot machine and not doing so well. There's a small percentage that does exceedingly well. Obviously, if 75% are losing, there's a good chance the other 25% are doing very well. Well, what's happening, what's going to be addressed tomorrow on the webinar is they were able, because of who they are, Unifii's got great leaders, from the CEO to everybody I've ever met. And like I say, I was a skeptical guy. And I've been with them for 5 months when they first came out. Right now, we get signals for cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, when to buy and when to sell. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Blowing me away. Then we heard they were going to get into more traditional monies that people would understand. I thought, wow, that's fantastic. How could it get any better than this? Well, crypto kind of makes people nervous and all that, and I understand that. I've been dealing with crypto for a year and a half and made more money with cryptocurrency in a year and a half than I made the prior 13 and a half years. Anyway, we have the opportunity to get involved with people in the Forex market that are part of that 25% that do very, very well. Very well. And I think everybody here, whether you're in Unifii, you definitely need to go to this webinar, because the webinar is going to explain what we're about to get our hands on. And there's no doubt in my mind, tens of thousands of people are going to join in just a few weeks. Because some of the numbers that I see that they get, like averaging, okay, and this is legit, and I don't like hype, I hate hype. Hype kills. But this is fact. They're averaging somewhere around 20% return a month. And I don't have all the details, that's what the webinar tomorrow is for. If you're interested in going to this webinar, there's no links here on this email at all. Send an email to me at allianceprimeteam@gmail.com, which will be below, and I will send you the link. All I'm asking you to do is go see what they're offering. And trust me, Unifii is fabulous. Even before this was announced, this just puts the cream on top of the ice cream. Okay, I mean this is unbelievable. And then what I heard from it, and then the early lead up to it of what's coming Monday just blew my mind. And it's a way for people in their 50s like myself, people in their 40s, people in their 30s, people in their 60s, people in their 70s that are blessed with good health. In a very short amount of time, you can make money to change your financial future in a very short amount of time. This is what the rich and elite have. They have access to what you're about to see tomorrow. Anyway, ask ask me for the link and I'll send it because I need to know you're serious. And then go see it and get back to me if it sounds like something you want to do. Anyway, have a happy rest of the day. Get to that webinar. Email me, allianceprimeteam@gmail.com, and I'll send you the link. Have a great day.